Hair rinse treatments are excellent for the hair. They help to clarify a scalp, they help to soothe the scalp, they can help with scalp ailments, and not only that, they help to build body and hair, they can add shine to hair, they can repair hair. And in the course, there's 3 hair rinse treatments that are superb. A hair rinse is an excellent product to add to your hair care line and to use on your hair and your scalp. There are 3 hair rinse treatment formulations in the Professional Natural Hair Care course, and each of these is ideal on the hair and the scalp to soothe, to clarify, to soften, to add shine to hair, build body. It's however you want to build it, and there's custom ways to build it also besides these formulations. And the first one is the rice water hair rinse. And rice water, it's been used it's this age-old wisdom from the Asian cultures, and it just embodies this tradition of using it for lustrous, silky hair. And it involves rinsing the rice in water. That water turns milky, and that is what is used on the hair and to repair and smooth and fortify the hair. And this one here is beautiful because it's a powder treatment. So it works ideal because you save on even all the water for shipping, and you don't have to preserve this, and it's a one-time use, and it's in this packet. And this hair rinse, it is just applied over the hair after shampooing, and then you follow up like with some kind of a deep conditioning or a hair mask. And this can be like, this is in the course also, this deep hydration. This can be a protein mask for to build body in the hair, to smooth it, to repair it. First you do the rinse, then you put the mask on. It's just this perfect combination. To make this, it's so simple. You just have your amount of water that is designated, and then you're just going to empty the contents into the container. So it's very easy for the customer. This can even be put into, like a protein shake, shaker, any kind of shaker. And it's beautiful because it has that milky white, and that is the rice water treatment. And it has this wonderful smell of jasmine. And it just makes an excellent product to add to your hair care line. And it makes a difference. You'll see the difference on the hair. The next one is the Botanical apple cider vinegar hair rinse, and it's a concentrate. And we've already figured out the concentrate of the botanicals and which botanicals to use for the ideal performance on the hair. And this one, you sell the concentrate, so you could add this easily to your line. And then the customer just adds, depending on if they have short hair, long hair, they add this concentrate into their container and shake it. And then just apply this to the scalp and the hair. And this Botanical apple cider vinegar hair rinse, it really helps to harmonize the scalp and the hair. And it's a potent blend. It helps to reinstate the balance and vitality, especially on the scalp, and to rebalance the hair for the oils. It can help to stimulate hair growth because it helps with circulation on the scalp, and is very, very natural, and it just adds shine. It's a gentle exfoliate for flaky scalp, and it helps to soothe the scalp. So that's the second one. The last one is the Royal Crown hair rinse. And the Royal Crown hair rinse, this is has this richness of flowers that just really add this regal essence of nature when you do this treatment onto your scalp. And it has potent petal power from the flowers, and it just serves as a reminder of our inherent value, and just celebrates our uniqueness. And I think this is just a beautiful hair rinse, and it is like an herbal tea. And you take your blend and you put it in the hot water and you let it steep just like a tea. And then after it's done steeping, allow it to come to room temperature, and then you just pour it over your scalp and your hair, and it's just a luxurious experience. It's done steeping, so now I just filter it out. going to allow this to come to room temperature. And it's this beautiful Royal Crown hair rinse that has this divine scent and just leaves the hair just clarified and a shine to it and smooth, and the scalp feeling very soothed. And these 3 hair rinse treatments, it took a lot of time to develop these formulations and formulate them and test them and try them, and to make sure then they even also have beneficial results and that they are stable formulations. And these hair rinse treatments, they address the scalp, the skin, which is very important for hair products because you want to address the skin on the scalp. Anything that touches the scalp, it should support that scalp and soothe that scalp. And that's what these hair treatments do. And they show just beautiful results on the hair and the scalp.